folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Going to take up my all new, freshly put together last night, Dynam B-26 Marauder. One of the last ones you can still get. Now I got this for BitGo Hobby, but now they're saying they're out of stock. But if you go to Red Wing RC out of Lebanon, Illinois, they still have them in stock. She's got a 1.5 meter wingspan. Counter-rotating props, they spin inwards towards the fuselage. She's got flaps, she's got lights, just the front landing lights. And I gotta tell you, with Dynam planes, either they fight you with a build or they go together like an E-flight plane. Well, this went together like an E-flight plane. I only had a few minor problems, and one of the rudder linkage wasn't hooked up. I hooked it up. One of the flap linkages wasn't hooked up. I hooked it up. Other than that, she went together. It was a no-brainer. Very simple build. So let's take her up and see what we can do. Timer set for 5 minutes. I'm running a 3300 4S. I think it's a Sokokin brand battery. One of my 4S. Right, left, up, down. Right, left. We'll try our takeoff flaps. All right. Here we go.
Gear up.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I got blinded by the sun there for a minute.
Flaps up. Gear down.
Alright. Sorry I'm so far away, but I am having to hold a lot of
Time remaining 4.
up elevator.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, I'm having to hold a lot of up elevator in order to keep her flying. So I'm going to have to move that battery. I do have a smaller battery than what they call for. They call for a 4,000. I got a 3,300. So let me get in there and move that battery forward some. Motor off. See if that doesn't help me. Because I was having to hold a lot of up elevator. Well, wait a minute, no. She was wanting to climb on me. She wanted to dive on me. So I need to move the battery back. Yeah. I thought I had the CG right, but yeah. We'll try that now. See if that doesn't help any. Okay. She's flying okay, just you gotta get your CG right. If you don't have your CG right, you're gonna fight it tooth and nail. So, all right.
Motor on.
Of course, it does help to have the motor on. And I'll be honest, I'm going to go down here, and since we have no wind at all, I'm going to take off in this direction. All right, let's back up just a little bit.
Gear up.
She still needs
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, she lands okay. All right. Definitely still needs. She's still wanting to dive on me. So I'm going to try to move that battery even further back because she still wants to dive on me. But, all right.
Takeoff flaps.
Let's get turned around here. We're going to use our takeoff flaps. Let me move my takeoff flaps down a little bit more. She doesn't seem to need any. She doesn't seem to need any elevator to flap mix, which I'm not surprised by that as far back as that tail is. All right, here we go.
Gear up.
Oh, got one gear hanging.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Gonna have to stay up high away from that sun. Yeah, I definitely need some right aileron. Yeah, I'm kind of fighting her, but I think once I get her trimmed out, she'll be fine. Yeah. All right. All right, we still got 2 minutes. Go ahead and try this one more time. We get turned around.
Takeoff flaps.
All right.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Definitely not a speed demon. One gear is hanging up again.
Gear down.
Well, that's okay. Sorry about the sun, folks.
Landing flaps.
But not bad. Not bad at all, really.
Flaps up.
She definitely got to get the CG working. I'm going to have to get that battery a little bit further back. Actually get a little bit bigger of a battery. Move it a little further back. And because she's still wanting to dive on me, I'm having to hold an awful lot of up elevator. So, all right, well, there we go, folks. That is the Dynam B-26 Marauder, one of the last ones you can get. Like I said, you can still, BitGo Hobby's out of them now. But Red Wing RC out of Lebanon, Illinois still has a few. And of course you can still, if there's, you can still get parts for it. So not a bad little flying bird. I just need to get the CG working better. I'm going to get a little bit bigger of a battery, move it back a little bit further. It does call for a 4,000, and I've got a 3,300 in there, a fairly light one. So we'll just call it quits for that right now. Work out the bugs, but it's a Dynam. Sometimes, that's part of their charm. You may have to work a little bit at them to get them flying right, but so she went together great and she flies okay. So y'all have a good, don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And that was the Maiden. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then warbirds. Bye, y'all.